Welcome back. Today we are going to learn about Windows.
Windows is a typical rectangular area in an application or a document. It is an area on your screen that display information for a specific program that is called as window. Okay, so if you take any application, one rectangular box will get displayed. For example, I will show you. Now I am going to take one application. For example, paint application I am opening. So what you can able to see now, you are seeing the window. This box, no, this rectangular box is there. Is it visible for you? I will click and drag with this red icon. Just look it into it. So this rectangular area, no, this is called as window. Okay. Under that, this is the paint window. Like that, if you open any application, your rectangular area display the information for your specific program. So this rectangular area specifically denote about your paint application. Okay, so what are all the things available in your paint application is displayed here. Similarly, you can view any application using your window. So that is the concept of window. Now we'll see about what is application window. So application window means it is an area on a computer screen which is defined with boundaries, okay, and within which information is displayed. Such windows can be resized, maximized, minimized, or you can play side by side, overlapping, and so on. What are the application you need, you can do along with that application window. For example, I will show you some application. Same paint application, we may take it off. Okay. Okay, this is the window screen of your paint application, right? Now, I am going to take one more application, calculator. Okay. Now see this. This is one application. I am overlapping this in this application. I am overlapping your calculator. So this is your PowerPoint presentation slide. So all the application I can combinedly overlap and merge. Okay. So see this. Similarly, you can minimize and maximize. Now I am maximized your calculator. Similarly, you can minimize. Same for paint application, I maximized, I minimized. Okay, so in the one window, you can able to keep your application by resizing it. So I will resize and show you. So this is minimize and this is maximize, complete window. Now I am resizing it. See, this is your calculator. I am resizing it. Okay, so like this, we can able to resize, minimize and maximize, as well as you can able to keep side by side. I'm keeping left side as paint and right side as calculator. Similarly, you can move this side paint and this side calculator also. So what the thing you can able to move, as well as overlapping windows. So here paint is there. I'm just increasing the size. Then inside that I am overlapping your calculator. Okay, like that we can able to overlap also. So an application window that contain a open application, that is current application such as your paint or word document, anything you can take. When two or more windows are open, only one of them will be active at the time and the remaining will be rest, that is inactive state. Okay, so this multiple window open in your desktop, no, that is the thing where the application windows get work. For example, here I am overlapping this paint application and calculator. So what is the thing now it is visible is calculator. So you can do calculation part alone. Now I am clicking in this paint application means calculator get hide off. Okay. At a stage you can select any number of application, but you can work with only one application. Rest thing will be in rest. Okay, that is to be in inactive state. So if you click on that, it will get and active. Clear? Okay, so that is the thing and use of your application windows. Now coming to document window, what is the use of document window? It is a section of your screen used to display the content of your document. Okay, so Content, what are the content displayed that should be displayed by using your document window? For example, I am taking this paint application, no? So inside that, what are the content is available? It will have a file option, home, view option. Okay, so the content, the document, no, the document of the particular window, what are all the content available used to displayed using this document window application. So here you can see what are the menus available, what are the toolbars available. Okay, so these are all the control buttons. These are all the control buttons: minimize, maximize, and restore, close option. And these are all the things that is available. No, file, home, view. These are all called as menus. Here it is tools. This paint, brush, colors, everything available. No, these are all called as what ma? Tools. And this is your application working area. So in this area you can type and use. So this is your application area. Okay. Similarly, you can have your tools as well as menus. Okay. So these are all the things about document window. Multiple window opened in your desktop, no. So if you can able to open your multiple window, but the thing is you can work with any one windows at a time. After that you can move to your next window. Okay, so this is the thing of windows. So what is window, what is application window and document window we saw. Now we will move to the second part, that is elements of window. What is the use of elements, various elements of windows? Okay, so under this we are having title bar, that is the first element of your window. Coming to this elements of window, you will have title bar, menu bar, your workspace where you are going to work it, workspace, then scroll bar, then corners and borders. So these five are the various elements of your windows. So elements of Windows application will contain 5 elements. It may be asked in your 5 mark also. Okay, this question will be asked in your 5 mark also. If it is asked in 2 marks, means you just list the titles. What are the things? Title bar, menu bar, workspace, scroll bar, and corner and border lines. Okay. Now we will see one by one what are all the elements available in each list. Then what are the uses of that? Coming to title bar. Before that, I will open one Windows application so that you can able to understand the concept well of your elements of Windows. So I am going to open one Word application here. Okay. So take down the blank Word application. So this is one window. Now I am minimizing it. Yeah. Title bar will display the name of the application and the name of the document open also. It will also contain minimize, maximize and close button. So that is the use of title bar. Now we will see the thing of title bar in your document application. Okay, so see this. What are all the things we saw? Yes, it is having the name of the application. Here the name of the application is document. Okay, so document is the name of the application. So in this Word document we are opening. Next thing is what? It will have the name of the document open. I'm just doesn't specify any name, so it is displayed as document 1, Word document. It will contain minimize, maximize and close button. So this is minimize, this is maximize and this is close button. So that also available. So this is the first element. We completed what is title bar. Now coming to menu bar. What is the use of menu bar? Menu bar is seen under your title bar. So this is your title bar. Document 1, Word activation. After that you are having no file, home, insert, design, layout, reference, mailing, reviews and views. So these are all the various menus. Okay, if you click on this menu, it will have several lists under this. I will just click and show to you. So I'm just clicking here file menu. Okay. Okay. So under that you will have new, open, save, save as. So many options are available under that file menu. So each and every operation carries a task. What is it specified? Okay. Now coming to next part, I'm moving to insert menu. So it will have table, pictures, various elements that should be inserted into your document. Coming to design menu, it will have titles and what are the themes applicable, page color, page border, everything you can design using this design menu. Coming to layout menu, you may set the page layout, that is margin for your page, orientation, landscape or portrait orientation, then size, how many columns you want in this document we can able to specify, then indent, spacing, everything you can able to give with this layout. Like this you will have so many menus. So clicking on that menu, you can able to take what are all the needs you need for the particular file applications. Okay, so for that particular window application you can refer this menu application to work with that. Clear? Next thing is going for workspace. What is workspace? So it is the space, this area in your document window to enter or type your text on your document. As well as in menu bar, you can additionally press F10 to bring focus of your first menu of your menu bar. So you can use this shortcut key. Okay, Alt key or F10 that focus on your menu application, that is menu application. Now coming to workspace, what is the thing? No, this is the workspace for the Word document. The space available here, no. So this is your workspace. This white screen is your workspace. You can do any application in this workspace. Okay. Next thing is, yes. Now next element is scroll bar. So scroll bar, what is the use of scroll bar? In your workspace, you can able to move horizontally or vertically using a scroll bar. So this is your scroll bar. Can able to see ma? This is moving, no, horizontal move. So this part is your horizontal scroll bar. Now coming to this window, this is your vertical scroll bar. Here I'm pinpointing, no, it is, see, it is moving from top to bottom. It is your vertical scroll bar. For example, I'm specifying some letters here. I will show you how it is working off. I'm specifying letters here. See how it is moving and showing you. This is your vertical scroll bar. I am moving now from top to bottom, it is coming down. Similarly, this is your horizontal scroll bar moving like this. Okay, so this is horizontal and this is vertical. So top to bottom is vertical, left to right. Left to right is horizontal movement. Okay, so these things can be performed by using your scroll bar. Next one is corner and border. What is the use of corner and border? So corner and border of the window help to drag and resize your window. So that is the main purpose of your corner and borders. You can able to drag of that particular window application, as well as you may resize it. So the pointer tool using your mouse, no, that changes to double-headed arrow when positioning over your border or corner. So if you position to your border or corner, what will happen? No, generally your mouse is like this. Okay, see, generally your mouse is like this. It is pointing the arrow, right? Now I am moving to this corner. What is happening here? Just to look into its right side window. Just look here. Okay, here what I am doing, I am moving this arrow here. What will happen? It is changed it to double-headed. Okay, double-headed arrow. While coming out, it is single-header. If it is inside, double-headed arrow. So what you can able to do now? You can resize your windows. So this is the use of your corner and border. Now I am resizing. Okay. So this horizontal portion, this is small size. Now I am resizing to large size. Similarly, if you click on this, you can move. See, I am rotating. I am moving to the corner. I will resize and move. See, I am resizing it to a small window size. Now I am moving this one. Right. I'm moving to left side, right corner, then bottom right, bottom left, center. Like this I am moving, no? So this is the thing that should be performed by using your corner and border. Okay, so the two things available in your corner and borders are drag is one thing and resize is next thing. So scroll bar, you can able to scroll your workspace horizontally or vertically. Here, so these are all the elements of your Windows use. So these are all the uses of your elements in your Windows. So totally how many elements we saw? We saw about 5 elements. What are those? So first element is title bar, next menu bar, next workspace, okay, next one scroll bar, and last one corners and borders. Now we will summarize our session. What are the things we gone through? First we learn about what is your operating system, then what is the Windows operating system, what is the use of Windows desktops. Okay, so under that we learn about the various desktop usages with icons, standard icons, shortcut icons and disk driven icons. And we learn about what is Windows, this application window, what is the use of document window, and what are the various elements of Windows, right? So hope you all understand the session well. It is very interesting chapter. Now coming to the home assignment part. First 2-mark question. Give the most popular operating system. Okay. Second question. What is the use of scroll bar? Going to third. What are called standard icon? So these 3 questions carries 3 mark, 2 mark. Now coming to 3-mark question. What are the functions of Windows operating system? Write the list out the functions of Windows operating system. And 5-mark question. Explain the overview of an operating system.
Now we came to the end of this session. We'll meet you soon in the next video. Thanks for watching.